All about the shoes. All about the
These
shoes.
boots that were made for walking.
Yes.
Yeah. So actually strutted. Actually, I can give you a little.
Hello, my name is Matthew Snoopy Cuff. It's about time that the next step has voguing because I feel like it's very needed in the world of dance. Voguing is a beautiful thing. It brings forth a lot of expression. The birth of voguing is in New York City. A lot of queer youth were ostracized, kicked out of their homes, and didn't have an outlet for expression. So ballroom was created to combine fashion, dance, and movement, arts, makeup. And with voguing, there's 5 elements. And the 5 elements of voguing are hands, catwalk, duck walk, dips, and floor. It seems effortless when it's done correctly, but there's a lot of hard work that's put into voguing.
Oh, it's hard. I mean, I'm like wet. It's
Yeah.
very hard. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm working very hard here.
I am so glad that Ethan gets to do this at the next step, and I think it's about time that voguing and like ballroom is brought to the next step, because I know all the queer people out there and like people that are connected by voguing and ballroom are gonna feel something and be inspired, hopefully.
Happy to share, and I'm happy to expose voguing to folks who haven't seen it and having it on a platform like The Next Step.